Let me ask you something. How many times have you told yourself, tomorrow I'll finally get my life together? You imagine the perfect day. Waking up early, studying hard, being productive, eating clean. But the next morning, you snooze, you scroll, you delay. Suddenly it's midnight again, and you're repeating the same promise for tomorrow. If that feels familiar, good. Because you don't need more motivation, you need a system. Today, I'll show you a student routine that actually works. No 4 a.m. fantasies, just a structure you can follow daily. And at the end, I'll explain the psychology that makes this stick, even if you've failed before. Why routine matters. Your brain is like a laptop. No charge. Slows down. Too many tabs. Overheats. No updates. Glitches. Students don't fall behind because they're not smart, but because they lack a system that protects their energy. A routine removes chaos. It becomes your personal operating system, keeping you focused and calm even when motivation disappears. Morning routine 1. Wake up 5:30 to 7 a.m. You don't need to be a monk. Just wake up early enough to have quiet. Avoid checking your phone. Don't let the world enter your brain first. Open your window, stretch, hydrate, and take a few slow breaths. 2. Light movement. 5 minutes of stretching or walking is enough. Think of it as turning on your Wi-Fi. Your body is the router, your brain is the device. 3. Breakfast plus hydration. Your brain needs fuel. Keep breakfast simple and drink water. Dehydration feels exactly like being tired. 4. Morning deep study. This is your highest focus hour. Do your hardest subject here. Use a 50 to 10 focus cycle and avoid your phone during breaks. Afternoon. Routine. 1. Classes plus active learning. Don't just listen, engage. Write notes in your own words, ask small questions, and summarize after class. Passive learning is throwing seeds on concrete. Active learning plants them. 2. Lunch plus power reset. Eat light. Then take a 15 to 20 minute nap or a quick walk to reset before the afternoon slump. 3. Practical study. This low-energy period is for action tasks, past papers, practice problems, flashcards, summaries, projects. Work with your energy, not against it. Evening. Routine. 1. Movement. 20 to 30 minutes of any activity. Walking, sports, dancing. Exercise improves memory, mood, and sleep. 2. Creativity. Time-top students don't study 24/7. Do something creative to keep burnout away and let your brain breathe. 3. Evening study light revision only. Review what you learned. Organize notes, solve easy questions, plan tomorrow. Night routine. 1. Plan tomorrow. Write 3 to 5 specific tasks. This tells your brain everything is under control. 2. Digital sunset screens off 30 minutes before bed. Replace them with reading, music, journaling, or calm podcasts. 3. Sleep, never trade. Sleep for study. Sleep is where memory forms. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Mindset, stop comparing hours. Most people exaggerate. Real progress comes from consistent, focused effort, not 12-hour marathons. You will slip, start again. That's discipline. The routine, summary. Morning, deep focus. Afternoon, practice evening. Movement plus creativity plus light review. Night, reset plus recharge. Follow this for 30 days and your focus, grades, and stress will transform. Discipline today creates freedom tomorrow.
Like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe my channel now. Thank you for watching.